Hi guys, my name is Henry from GI and you are watching GI TV. Today we have a very beautiful camera I want to show you. This is the Dahua 5 megapixels IP camera. This camera has a lens of 2.8 millimeters and it's a huge camera. We call it the TIOC camera. TIOC simply means 3-in-1 camera. Now I want to just do some unboxing of this camera. Before that, I want to show you some few features of the camera. One is that this camera has what we call full color, so it means that it's 24-hour color. The second is WeSense. The WeSense means that the camera has some level of artificial intelligence where it's able to determine between human beings, animals, leaves, and any other stuff. So the camera is very, very intelligent. And then it has what we call the active deterrence. Active deterrence. So the camera has some flashlights that's able to flash on anybody who is on your property. Now this camera is also very beautiful. Why? Because this camera has an inbuilt microphone and an inbuilt speaker where you're able to speak to anybody on your property. So we are unboxing the camera. This is how the camera looks like. It's a huge camera. It's a very big camera. This is how it looks like. Okay, so you can see the camera has these two lights here. This is a light that flashes, and then this is a light that does the magic for the 24-hour color. Okay, it also has the speaker here. So this is a speaker where when you speak, anyone on your facility or your property can hear you. It also has what we call an inbuilt microphone. Now when you buy the camera, it comes with an Allen key, and then this helps you to do the installation. And then it comes with some installation manual, and then the screws, and then also this to protect you from dust. Thank you for watching. My name is Henry.